Micro Demo Cloud, also called Product Cloud, allows partners to conduct instant web-based demos of Trend Micro's top-selling products. Partners can also invite prospects and customers to conduct a free self-paced online product trial, complete with step-by-step guidance. Demo Cloud is fast and easy to use, with no installation or configuration required. Demo Cloud can help partners win more deals by providing valuable insight on key features and capabilities of Trend Micro products that are of interest to prospects. In this demo, partners will learn how to log in to Demo Cloud from the Trend Micro Partner Portal. Go to the Partner Portal login page and enter your username and password. Once successfully logged in, the partner will find Demo Cloud assets available on the left-hand side of the screen. Partners can click on the asset where they will find a short description of what Demo Cloud is and what services it provides. Click Go to Demo Cloud and select Allow. On the Demo Cloud or Product Cloud landing page, you will find two services available to use. The first service is called Instant Demo. Instant Demo gives the partner 24/7 access to all Trend Micro's top-selling products. If a partner needs to offer a quick demo or product walkthrough, they can simply click on the Open Web Console button for that particular product to instantly launch a trial. The second service is called Product Trials. Product Trials allows partners to offer their customers a personalized test drive of select Trend Micro products. Partners can invite their customers to trial in three ways. 1. Direct email via the Invite via Email option. 2. Inviting more than one customer at a time via the Bulk Invite via CSV option. Or 3. Via the Social Media option. In addition to Instant Demo and Product Trials, partners can expect to see additional services being added throughout 2020 and beyond. While these services are in development, Trend Micro welcomes all partner feedback to ensure that partners get the most out of Demo Cloud. Partners can get in touch with Trend Micro by using the Help Wizard option on the bottom right of their screen.